Good morning, good afternoon, friends and family, or even enemies. You're looking for an extra income apart from your 9 to 5 and struggling to make ends meet. So, if you're looking for a solution, don't stress. I have an e-learning program / course to be discovered. So, let me explain. Go to my YouTube channel and then go to my website link in my YouTube channel and click on it, and it will take you to a blueprint where it shows you step by step what you must do to earn an extra income. It's not difficult now, but it's not so difficult to build up a business. It takes time. It takes time to earn customers. So don't stress. Just if you struggle to, just call me and I will follow, guide you every step.